man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with an A. Put it in the oven for Ava and me. Yay! Again. Patty cake, bake as man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with an A. Put it in the oven for Ava and me. Yay! Go. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Ava.
Daddy.
Hi.
Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? Where's Bernie? Where's Bernie? Down here? Say Bunny. Bunny, I love you. Bouncing baby girl. Woo. Bouncing baby girl. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Go ahead. Where's you go? Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. What do you see, green frog? We see a purple cat and a white dog. Turn the page. Yes. Sheep. See sheep. And a goldfish. Oh, and their children. And let's see what they see. They see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog. Hold on. Wait, look. Black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher. That's what they see. The end. You want to read the story? What do you see? Look at it. Up the end. The end. Read the story. Oops, the end. Brown bear. Red bird. Yellow duck. Blue horse. Green frog. Purple cat. White dog. One at a time. Black sheep. The end! Yay!